Let's start off with half a packet of kidney beans. Let the kidney beans boil. Dice up the onions, garlic, and ginger. Add the ingredients to the oil. Let it sit for a minute. Add in the remaining diced up ingredients. Once again, just let it simmer for a minute. Add salt, red chili powdered, coriander, mixed herbs, and fenugreek. Also 3 fresh tomatoes. Add them all into the pot and give it a stir. Just let it sit and simmer. Only if you could smell this. Break down the tomatoes. Separate the kidney beans from the water. Add the kidney beans into the pot. Now give it a stir. Now it's time to add the broth from kidney beans into the pot. Let it cook for a few minutes and enjoy the amazing smell while you wait. Time to chop up the coriander. Add it into the pot. Let it cook while you make some fresh chapatis. Plate it up and get ready to enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.